On June 19, 2026, a massive structural shift occurred in the Yellow Sea as the South Korea Chungnam class frigate ROKS Gyeongbuk was officially delivered to the Navy ahead of schedule. While Western shipbuilders are constantly paralyzed by extended manufacturing backlogs, the South Korean naval industrial base has engineered a deep operational response to an evolving theater. For decades, the Republic of Korea Navy maintained a surface fleet that left older coastal patrols highly exposed and structurally vulnerable to modern saturation strategies. Leading global defense analysts argue that, on paper, the only tactical salvation for these older vessels would be an immediate integration into a multi-layered air defense network. The arrival of ROKS Gyeongbuk addresses this strategic reality by establishing a localized wall of high-density interceptors right on the front line. Built by SK Oceanplant at their Goseong facility, this 4,300-ton full-load warship underwent highly demanding live fire and sea trials before formal acceptance. By transferring this advanced asset to the frontline fleet, military planners are executing a much larger doctrine. ROKS Gyeongbuk is designed to assume intense local patrol duties along the northern limit line, allowing the much larger 12,000-ton KDX-3 Batch 2 Aegis destroyers to pull back and focus entirely on deep-sea operations and national ballistic missile defense. The rapid integration of this platform signals that the balance of naval power in East Asia is changing through high-rate industrial output. Before we go on, you think automated production speed is now more important than raw ship size in modern naval warfare? Hit subscribe to join our strategic community and tell me where you're watching from. To truly understand the tactical weight of this delivery, one must look directly at the specific architectural anatomy that defines ROKS Gyeongbuk. Displacing 3,600 tons at standard load and 4,300 tons under full operational deployment, this 129-meter hull packs an unprecedented density of indigenous technology. At the center of its defensive architecture is the integrated sensor mast developed by Hanwha Systems. Unlike previous surface combatants that relied on mechanical rotating search systems, this platform features a fixed four-sided multifunction phased array radar utilizing active electronically scanned array technology. This configuration allows ROKS Gyeongbuk to maintain unbroken 360-degree tracking of highly complex aerial tracks, neutralizing the structural blind spots that left older corvettes completely defenseless against modern multi-angle saturation strategies. Beneath the deck, the offensive capabilities are consolidated into a 16-cell KVLS-1 vertical launching system. Through quad packing engineering, the warship can deploy up to 64 KSOM Haegung interceptors, utilizing a highly advanced dual-band active radio frequency and infrared seeker to engage low-flying anti-ship missiles. For surface and land strike operations, the cells are configured to fire the Haegung Sea Dragon tactical land attack missile alongside Red Shark long-range anti-submarine torpedoes. Point defense is anchored by the newly developed SIWS 230mm Gatling gun, which integrates a dedicated mini AESA radar inside a signature reducing stealth housing capable of spitting out 4,500 rounds per minute. Acoustic stealth is driven by a hybrid CODLOG propulsion configuration, pairing a single 36-megawatt Rolls-Royce MT-30 gas turbine with 4 MTU diesel generators and 2 highly efficient Leonardo permanent magnet electric motors. When operating below 12 knots in silent electric mode, ROKS Gyeongbuk minimizes underwater acoustic signatures, allowing its indigenous towed array sonar system to hunt diesel-electric threats without exposing its own tactical position. The integration of ROKS Gyeongbuk into the frontline fleet is an unyielding response to a rapidly changing maritime landscape in East Asia. In June 2026, the strategic reality surrounding the Korean peninsula intensified following North Korea deploying its new 5,000-ton Cho-Haeyon-class corvette equipped with nuclear-capable cruise missiles. In the Yellow Sea, the South Korean Navy cannot afford to leave its maritime borders unprotected against such low-flying strike profiles. Deploying the Chungnam class directly to the northern limit line allows these highly capable frigates to act as dedicated localized air defense umbrellas. This exact shift frees up the massive 12,000-ton KDX-3 Batch 2 Aegis destroyers, which would otherwise be wasted on routine coastal monitoring, allowing them to focus entirely on deep-sea power projection and national ballistic missile defense. Beyond immediate deterrence, the rapid deployment of this hull serves a crucial geopolitical purpose through industrial self-reliance. By achieving over 90% indigenization across the hull, sensors, and weapons networks, South Korea has insulated its defense sector from Western supply chain vulnerabilities. Leading global defense analysts argue that, on paper, this high-rate domestic production allows Seoul to maintain a massive competitive advantage in the global export market, known as K-defense. ROKS Gyeongbuk stands as a live demonstration of manufacturing efficiency for international customers. Currently, this exact platform serves as the primary technical foundation for South Korea, bidding in the Philippines' Re-Horizon 3 naval modernization program, which is valued at $600 million. By executing sea trials and formal delivery ahead of schedule, the shipbuilder has proven that they can deliver dense, multi-mission combatants faster than European or American competitors, establishing a new benchmark for modern naval industrial output across the Indo-Pacific region. Looking ahead into the next 3 to 12 months, ROKS Gyeongbuk is scheduled to enter an intense phase of operational readiness training. This deployment period is designed to fully synchronize its Hanwha Advanced Combat Management System with the wider Joint Tactical Data Link networks of the Alliance. By the end of 2026, the second builder, SK Oceanplane, is expected to deliver the third vessel of the class, ROKS Gyeongbuk, continuing a relentless manufacturing cycle that is unprecedented among democratic nations. However, behind these massive industrial milestones, leading global defense analysts point out two significant strategic blind spots that could impact long-term operations. First, the FFX Batch 3 program has been intentionally divided among three different shipbuilders, which are HD Hyundai Heavy Industries, SK Oceanplane, and Hanwha Ocean. While this structure maximizes rapid production, slight mechanical variations and software integration differences between factories could create an unexpected maintenance and logistics burden for the naval supply chain during prolonged deployments. Second, although the highly automated systems on ROKS Gyeongbuk have successfully reduced the active crew size to just 125 personnel, South Korea is facing an acute demographic challenge with a shrinking military age population. Training and retaining enough highly specialized technical officers to operate these cutting-edge AESA radars and automated weapons will remain a major hurdle. The ultimate lesson of ROKS Gyeongbuk is that in modern high-intensity attrition warfare, Strategic deterrence is no longer just about the size of a warship, but the sheer speed of the industrial base that builds it. South Korea has successfully proven that domestic supply chains can outpace global disruptions. Do you believe that industrial manufacturing speed has now become the single most decisive factor in winning a modern naval arms race? Let me know your thoughts in the comments section below.